I'm Madhura Nejjur, Assistant Vice President, Research and Outreach at ICRA Limited. And through this podcast, we spotlight one of the most ambitious steps India has taken in its fight against climate change, the National Manufacturing Mission. Nearly 90% of India's carbon emissions come from just three sectors: power, industry, and transport. While India has made notable strides in transitioning to clean energy within the power sector, substantial efforts are still required to achieve its 2030 goals, particularly in scaling up green hydrogen production and accelerating the adoption of electric vehicles. The real challenge is our heavy reliance on imports for clean technologies like solar panels, batteries, and wind turbine components. In fact, India has import reliance between 20% to 90% for some of these critical components, mostly on countries like China. This is where the National Manufacturing Mission steps in. Launched by the Government of India, the mission aims to transform India into a global hub for clean technology manufacturing. In the Union Budget 2025-26, 10% of the mission's outlay was earmarked for the current fiscal, signaling the pace of progress anticipated. The mission has made notable progress by successfully onboarding over 500 MSMEs and startups until August 2025. The Government of India has taken a strategic step by launching the mission and aligning it with the nationally determined contributions, that is NDC targets, existing schemes and policies. By actively supporting MSMEs and startups, the mission lays a strong foundation for industrial transformation. However, its success all depends on effective execution. If implemented well, the mission could save India $2 trillion in import bills by 2047, create 50 million jobs, and position our nation as a leader in exporting clean technology solutions. The journey is just beginning to establish India as a global exporter for clean technology products by leveraging domestic strengths. Thank you for listening and stay tuned for our upcoming podcast.